Hey Groomers! Tyler out of Colorado. Got a clipper in today and it just makes not very nice noises. And the button here is popped out, so we'll replace that for her as well. But so you can hear. So what's wrong with that? All right, we'll turn it off. And before you ever work on your clippers, just unplug them. You don't want to get shocked. It's not fun. So first thing I'm going to do is pop off the straight blade drive cap and take a look at the blade drive screws. So, okay, first thing I'm going to do is take my P1 screwdriver, it's the one for your blade drive screws, and snug these screws down. Because she said she just changed the blade drive. Oh, that's the problem right there. This screw is stripped. I mean, I could turn this all day. It's not going to get any tighter. So that's the first thing you want to check when your blade drive is making noises. This video is pretty simple. It's a stripped out screw, so we got to replace the front motor mounts. Unfortunately, with the 5-speed, the front motor mount is connected with the motor and you can't get just the front motor mount as a part, so we have to replace the whole motor. So when you're doing your blade drive screws, please use a P1 screwdriver and just go so it's snug. You don't need to overdo it. Anyway, hope this helps some of you, and I will see you later. All right, back with these clippers that needed the new front motor mount. And just wanted to show you that they sound much better now. Well, if you can hear it, it's all good. Cam's running nicely. All the speeds work. And that's how I test the cord. I just kind of pull on it straight back and wiggle it around. It's not cutting out, so the cord's good. We're going to turn these back down to the 2nd speed. I like that speed. I think it works the best. Keeps your blades not heating up and all that. So this clipper's all good, done, and that was it. Just needed a motor mount. So if your clippers are making a loud noise, first take the blade off, make sure it's not the blade, and then run them without the blade and make sure it's not the blade drive by snugging up the screws. If those two things are tight, good. Next, you want to snug up these 2 screws on the hinge. And if all that's snug and good, and it's still making noises without a blade on, it's probably something internal and you want to contact your professional repair guy. Anyhow, if you guys need any help, just leave a comment or message me.